Today I'm going to show you how to add recommendation to your student here in the system, here in Excel. So let me just clear this. So I'll come here in the recommendation. I say it's the same formula we used in grading. So I'll just say is equals to if. Now here I will say if into bracket. I open the bracket. I say if the grade. If the grade. Let's say if the grade. I will say if the average. Let's say if the average is you can say if average is greater than 60, that one is excellent. I say if average is greater than 50, I say that one is work hand. Then I say if the average is greater than 40, that one I can say pull your socks. Then for instance, I can also say if that average is less than 40, I can say that one is fail. For instance, then remember, as I told you, in crossing the bracket, you count the number of ifs. I have used 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll have 4 crossing brackets. 2, 3, 4. Then I press enter. You can see they have been graded. Here in fail, for instance, let's say this student is WZ, and let's say admission number is that one, and let's say mathematics he earned 40, 4, 6, 3, 9, 10. Let's say in the history he got 5 there. Then in the, let's say in business, then business he got, let's say 40. And I place enter. So then I come here for the sum total. Just place my cursor here. Then I drop down to where that student is to be graded its sum. Then I go here in average. Just place cursor here. Drop that to where the student is to be graded average. Then I go here in grading system. I go there. Then you can, if you not drop the down. Oh, the reason as to why this student in grading system is not graded because I did not grade those people with below 40. That's the reason. So I can come here in the grading system formula. I can say, for instance, space if, and then bracket, if this average see that average is less than 40, that one should be F. Let's say F. Then I press enter. Then come here in the grid. I just drop down to the student. If not created formula yet. If is less than 40, that one should be F. Then I comma 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So should be 6 brackets. Then I press enter. So you can see this is a system already has been created. So now the next thing I'll just show you here how to earn this average. Again, I've just forgotten things in here in recommendation. Here in recommendation, you can as you can see my formula, I've used the average. So for yours, you can say instead of using average here in average, you can say if, let's say if the grade is greater, than let's say B minus. If grade is greater than B minus, that student is excellent. If the grade is above, let's say C minus, that is good work. Let's say C plain, that is good work. Then say or work and let's say work and. Then if it is below C minus, and you can say that one is fail. So it's not matter that you can use the average. Also, you can use the total. You can say if the total is greater than 400, that one is excellent. If the total is greater than 300, that is good work. If it is greater than 200, work hard. If it is less than 200, let's see, pull your socks. So that one is how the system work. Then you can also short this. Can also, in order to know the number one, you can select like this. Then you go here in shorting. Then you go short from largest to smallest, so that you can have your student well being graded. So you can see they are all well being graded here. So this is how the system works. For more tech like this, you can just inbox me, comment, like, subscribe, and share for more tech.